Today, I'll show you how to create a wobbly, disoriented drunk effect that makes your footage look dizzy and unsteady, perfect for fun edits or creative storytelling. Let's get started. First, drag and drop your video into the timeline and play it once to see how it looks in its original stable form. Now, let's add the effect to make it look shaky and distorted. Go to the effects panel and search for Trippy. You'll see an effect called Trippy glitch. Drag and drop it onto your clip. By default, you'll notice both a wavy motion and a glitch effect, but since we don't need the glitch, we'll fine tune it. Select the clip and go to the Effects tab in the right side editing panel. Find the glitch and strength sliders. First, set the glitch slider to 0 to remove the unwanted glitch effect. Then, adjust the strength slider to control the intensity of the wavy motion. The higher the strength, the more exaggerated the effect will be. And that's it. You've created a drunk effect in Filmora in just a few clicks. Play around with the settings to get the perfect look. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Filmora editing tips.